Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Djibouti. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So let's proceed. So guys, many countries in the world are going towards e-visas because they are very easy to apply and they help a lot in crossing and in boosting tourism. So that is what we are gonna see here. So guys, in front of you, I've opened this Djibouti eVisa website. Okay. The way, like when you come here, uh, I would suggest that before you proceed with the application, go ahead with FAQ because here you can get very common uh, and frequent questions answered, like what is the fee? Okay, what are the mode of payments that you can make, validity, and what if you have multiple people traveling along with you? Is it gonna be refunded or other questions? And now once you are like aware of all this, you can click on I want to make a new request. This website is available in English as well as French. So in whichever language it opens, you can always change it from here. And once you're ready, click here. Are you holder of diplomatic service or official passport? Then you can get visa on arrival. Do you come within a framework of an agreement program with the Republic of Djibouti? You can check here, like United Nations document, African Union documents, African Development Bank document, Chinese passport, French soldiers, and other things, Japanese, German, English. Okay, so you can check it here if you come here or not. Otherwise, you can click on continue. Very first thing, passport information. Put your passport details. You can check your passport for this. Don't go by what I am doing. Okay. Here is your country that you're gonna select. Do it as per your case. Reason for travel. Date of arrival when you are coming there. Let's say that they are going there for this. And date of departure. This. Now it's asking for your details. So fill it as per your case. Oh, I'm sorry. First name, I'll just say John Smith. But country, birth country. So you have to do it as per your case, guys. I'm just trying to be some sample. Birth date. You know your date of birth, right? Who doesn't know? I'm just putting a sample. Birthplace. You can check in your passport itself. Marital status as per your case. Current nationality as per your case. Profession. Nationality of or origin. Further information, residential address or the city of residence, postal code, country of residence, in country of application from where you are filing, telephone, email address. Last visited country, if you have in past, if you have. Now you need to attach documents where you're gonna stay. Okay. So ticket, passport, hotel booking, or invitation letter, and your photo, passport size. And next, it's gonna ask you for the payments. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.